Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're in the best of your health and iman. Welcome to the 8th lecture of English grade 5. Today we are going to learn unit number 8, a memorable trip. In this unit we will learn about Sarah and Zain. They live in Dubai with their family and their uncle Ali live in Pakistan. Sarah and Zain visit to Pakistan and they had a memorable trip. Let's learn what the trip was about. So let's begin our reading. On page 67 we have a memorable trip. Sarah and Zain lived in Dubai with their family. They had not been to Pakistan for the last 2 years. They were missing their cousins and relatives. One day, they received a letter from Pakistan. Zain cried with delight. Oh, it is an invitation from Uncle Ali. Let's read what the invitation was about. It is dated February 12, 2018. Dear Sarah and Zain, we are going to visit Murray next month. I want you to come and visit these places with us. I will be happy if you join us. With love, Uncle Ali. So they decided to travel to Pakistan. They stayed at their uncle's house in Islamabad. Uncle Ali and his family were delighted to see both children after a long time. After a couple of days, they went to visit Murray. It is situated in the foothills of the Himalayas. Uncle hired a jeep for that trip. They were very excited. They found Murray a beautiful place. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने इसमें ये पढ़ा कि अ मेमोरेबल ट्रिप एक यादगार सैर। सारा और जैन दुबई में रहते हैं उनकी फैमिली के साथ और वो पिछले 2 सालों से पाकिस्तान नहीं आए। वो अपने कज़न्स और अपने रिश्तेदारों को बहुत मिस कर रहे थे। एक दिन उनको पाकिस्तान से एक लेटर मौसूल हुआ। जैन खुशी से चिल्लाया कि ये एक इनविटेशन है अंकल अली की तरफ से, एक दावतनामा है। उस दावतनामे में अंकल अली ने सारा और जैन को मरी के लिए इनवाइट किया क्योंकि वो लोग अगले महीने मरी की सैर के लिए जा रहे थे, तो उन्होंने सारा और जैन को भी इनवाइट किया। तो उन लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि वो लोग पाकिस्तान जाएंगे। वो लोग पाकिस्तान आके अपने अंकल के घर में रहें और इस्लामाबाद में, और यहाँ पर उनकी फैमिली जो है वो उनको देखकर बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुई क्योंकि बहुत अरसे बाद आए थे ये लोग। कुछ दिन गुजारने के बाद इन लोगों ने मरी जाने का जो है वो मंसूबा अपना बना लिया। मरी कहाँ वाक़या है? मरी हिमालय के दामन में वाक़या है। जो हिमालय पहाड़ी सिलसिला है उसके दामन में वाक़या है। अंकल ने जो है वो एक जीप ली क्योंकि मरी का जो रास्ता है वो उस पर आम गाड़ी नहीं चल सकती, पहाड़ी एरिया है, बिकॉज दैट्स वाई वहाँ पर एक जीप ही चल सकती है। तो वो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे क्योंकि मरी जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत एरिया है। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू आवर रीडिंग एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स टू देम। They checked in at a hotel and went out to have a view of the mountains. The clouds were playing hide and seek with the mountain peaks. Zen took out his telescope and looked down at the valley. Then they had a ride on the chairlift. It was a thrilling experience. The children also had a pony ride on the steep roads. Sarah took many pictures with her digital camera. The next day they went to Nathia Gully. The area was heavily forested and there were many monkeys around. The following day they set off for Patriata. They reached there after an hour's journey. They took a ride on the cable car. It was enchanting to look down. Sitting in a cable car, they stayed there for a week. They spent their time hiking around and exploring natural beauty. After they returned to Dubai, they wrote a thank you note to Uncle Ali for his warm hospitality. It is dated March 14, 2018. Dear Uncle Ali, we are grateful to you for your warm hospitality. You cared for us very much. The trip to Murray was marvelous. It was a memorable experience. With love, Sarah and Zain. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने पढ़ा कि सारा और जैन और अंकल अली की फैमिली मरी पहुंच गए। वो होटल में रुके, वहाँ पर उन्होंने ऊंचे ऊंचे पहाड़ देखे और उन्होंने वहाँ पर बादल देखे जो ऊंचे पहाड़ों के साथ आंख मचौली खेल रहे थे। उसके बाद जैन ने अपना टेलीस्कोप निकाल कर नीचे वादी को देखा और फिर इन लोगों ने चेयर लिफ्ट में भी सैर की। ये बहुत खूबसूरत एक्सपीरियंस था उनके लिए। यहाँ पर इन बच्चों ने घुड़सवारी भी की और सारा ने अपने डिजिटल कैमरे से बहुत सारी तस्वीरें भी ली। अगले दिन ये लोग नथिया गली गए। ये एरिया ज़्यादा जंगलात से भरा हुआ था। यहाँ पर बहुत सारी बंदर भी थे। अगले दिन ये लोग पटियाटा के लिए निकल पड़े और 1 घंटे के सफ़र के बाद ये लोग पटियाटा पहुँच गए और वहाँ पर इन लोगों ने केबल कार की सवारी की। जैसे कि आपको यहाँ पर इस पिक्चर में नज़र आ रहा है, इसको केबल कार कहते हैं। तो केबल कार से नीचे देखना बहुत जादुई मंजर था। फिर उन्होंने 1 हफ़्ता गुजारा वहाँ पर और उन लोगों ने अपना टाइम हाइकिंग करके पहाड़ों पर चढ़ के गुजारा और नेचुरल ब्यूटी को एक्सप्लोर करने में गुजारा और फिर वो दुबई चले गए वापस। दुबई जाके उन्होंने अंकल अली को एक छोटा सा ख़त लिखा जिसमें उन्होंने अंकल अली की हॉस्पिटैलिटी का शुक्रिया अदा किया। उस ख़त में लिखा था कि हम आपकी हॉस्पिटैलिटी का, आपकी मेहमान नवाज़ी का बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुज़ार हैं हम, और आपने हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखा। जो मरी की सैर थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा बेमिसाल थी और ये हमारे लिए हमेशा यादगार रहेगी। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स ऑफ दिस यूनिट। The first word is invitation, a spoken or written request to somebody to go somewhere. Valley, an area of lowland between hills or mountains. Enchanting, attractive and pleasing. Hiking, a long walk in the country for pleasure. Hospitality, a warm welcome to guests. Now moving on to the exercise of this unit, we have paired adjectives. In paired adjective, when two adjectives are used together to describe a noun, they are sometimes called paired adjective. For example, huge, big, tiny, small. Let's read the examples. Today is a bright, shiny day. Murray is famous for its beautiful and lovely scenery. Horse riding was an exciting and thrilling experience. Now you have to write in your notebook the sentences of the following pairs of adjective: attractive, charming, well known, famous, happy and delighted. These are provided in the solutions that are provided on the portal, a cloud portal of our school. Now coming to the next page, we have listening and speaking. Let's read and practice the given dialogue. Zan, Uncle Ali, can I take a ride on the pony? Sarah, no, I want to take its ride first. Uncle Ali, you both will have to take turns. It is Zain's turn first. Sarah, okay, Uncle. Zan, thank you, Uncle. So this was the conversation between Zan, Sarah and Uncle Ali, and they were fighting on the ride on the pony. But Uncle Ali resolved their fight and said that it's Zan's turn first. Now coming to the phonics, that is part D, long and short vowels. We have learnt these long and short vowels in unit 2 as well. Vowels can make long and short sound in the words. A long vowel sound is held longer in pronunciation than a short vowel sound. So let's read them. We have vowel A, and the short vowel sound is tap, and the long vowel sound is tape. Then we have E, mat, meat. I, fin, fine. O, caught, coat. U, cut, cute. Now we have to make words with long and short vowel sound in the correct columns. So let's make it. We will make the short vowel sound from A, rat, and long vowel sound will be rate. Rat, rate. Let's make words from E. Short vowel sound will be bet, and long vowel sound will be beat. Beat. Now move to I. It will be bit, and the long vowel sound will be bite. Bite. Now coming to the O sound, that is got, and the long vowel sound will be goat. Then we coming to the short vowel sound of U, that is tub, and the long vowel sound will be tube. Tube. Now moving on to the page 74, we have punctuation. Punctuate the following sentences. A full stop is used at the end of a sentence. A question mark is used at the end of a question. An exclamation mark is used to show strong feelings and emotions. A hyphen is used to join two or more words together. So let's punctuate the following sentences. We have Uncle Ali sent an invitation to them, that we will put a full stop because it's a statement, so we will put a full stop in the end of the sentence. Then we have hurrah, we are going to marry. Hurrah is a expression of happiness, is a strong feeling, so we will put exclamation mark after hurrah, we are going to marry. Then we will put a full stop in the end of this sentence. Then we have Uncle Ali is a well-known figure in his town. We will put hyphen between well-known because well-known is a compound word. Then we will put a full stop in the end of the sentence. Then there is where do Zan and Sarah live? It's a question, so we will put a question mark at the end of this sentence. So my dear students, this was the end of this unit. Those things which are skipped in this lecture is provided in the web portal of the school, so kindly you have to consult there because that is the written work and most of them the work is for the students to do by themselves. So I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and I hope you have understood it well. Till next time, take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.